Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper, safely transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So let's get started. So here we are in our Tonkeeper app, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on swap. So if you haven't swapped your Ton coin into USDT yet, then this is where you want to do it. Just tap on USDT on the receive button and input the amount, and after that you want to swap that. And then once you have successfully swapped, then now you are ready to send USDT to Binance. So from here we're gonna tap on send on our Tonkeeper app, and from here we would need the address and the comment right here. So let's go into Binance. From here, we're gonna tap on the yellow button at the bottom right here and tap deposit. And then from here, we're gonna go for USDT since we want to receive USDT. And from here, we're gonna tap on the Ton coin option. So here it is. So tap Ton coin. And then from here, I'm gonna go for continue and click or tap on the copy button right here on the deposit address and go back to Ton coin and paste it here in the address section. Once you have pasted that, then the next thing is you want to go back into Binance and copy the USDT memo right here at the bottom, go back to Toncoin and paste it here again. And there it is. So now all of it is now complete. So now you may tap on continue. And from here, you want to make sure that this is on USDT, not on Ton. So from here, as you can see, you would need to input the amount of USDT now that you would like to send to your Binance. So from here, let's say we would like to send 50 USDT, and then after that, tap on continue. Then you would be able to send it into Binance as long as you complete the next steps right there if you have the balance. So yeah, if you would like to withdraw your money here from Binance into cash, you can also do that by doing this right here. You can also withdraw it directly from Binance into cash by selling your USDT. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.